Did you know that King Ranch in Texas is bigger than the entire state of Rhode Island? Sprawling expanse embodies Texas's larger-than-life persona, steeped in history and brimming with cultural significance. Right, a single ranch in Texas outstrips an entire state in size. While Texas is famous for its barbecue, the state dish is actually chili. This hearty, spicy stew holds a special place in Texan hearts and kitchens. It's not just food, but a symbol of Texan pride and cultural heritage. So next time you think of Texas food, don't forget the chili. Believe it or not, Texas was once its own country. For 9 years, between 1836 and 1845, it stood proud as the independent Republic of Texas, a period that greatly shaped its distinctive identity and culture. So in a way, Texas has its own national history. From expansive ranches to the vibrant coastline, Texas doesn't fail to amaze us. Traversed through the vast King Ranch, relished the state cuisine, and explored a period when Texas was an independent nation. Such immense beauty, and these are just a few the fascinating facts about the Lone Star State. Keep in mind, Texas has more surprises than what meets the eye. And on that note, Texas is not just about ranches and chili, it's also home to breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in awe. Journey with us through the arid deserts of West Texas, where the sand dunes paint a picture of stark beauty. Then, let's wander through the lush piney woods in East Texas, a stark contrast with its green canopy and tranquil rivers. From there, we'll roam the rolling Central Plains where bluebonnets bloom in the spring, making it a sight to behold. And finally, let's not forget the beautiful Texas coast, with its warm sandy beaches and vibrant seaside towns. From deserts to coasts, Texas truly has it all.